How to change daily text limit of Facebook. So if you want to change the daily text limit of Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. Make sure that you have updated your application. Now you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. Once you're on your profile, you need to just scroll down a bit. Just simply go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Go with settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to go with the account center, which will be on the top. And here you need to go with your information and permissions. And you may have personal details, or just simply tap on profile and personal details, and then here on the bottom you will have your personal details. Tap on the contact info. Now here you will have contact information. You can manage your phone numbers, emails. So if you see the option of texting, simply click on it and change the limit. If you don't see it, then just simply go back, and then under your settings you need to scroll down a bit and you'll find an option of help. Go back again, tap on the 3 horizontal lines which will be on the top. Now go with help and support. And under that you will have report a problem. Tap on report a problem and tap on continue to report a problem. Here you need to tap on don't include and then scroll down and select any option that you are comfortable with. Like for example, in our case we have text, so tap on messages. You need to describe your issue, so you need to write that message limiting option is not available. And you can also record the screen or upload a screenshot of your problem and send it to Facebook, and it will fix your problem. That's how you can change your daily text limit of Facebook, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.